spoke too soon. We forgot to come over here and check this little vignette out. And Debbie got 2 new things from Mackenzie Childs for Halloween. Can you see them?
Yes.
You want to talk about
my
them?
little pumpkin man? I just love him. He's so cute. I love the little feet. I love how they jut out like that. It's so cute. And then here is the little bat mouse. I don't know what you call him, but he's got the cutest little tail. Let me see if I can turn him. Look at that tail.
So cute. So it's a little mouse dressed up as a bat for Halloween.
Yes. See, now get him back in there. There he goes.
Okay. So cute. We just had to share that with you. So those 2 guys are new.
Mm-hmm.
And then we showed her before, but we're going to show her again because she wasn't on this little vignette, was she?
No, we only showed her as
something we had.
What I had in my garage, the garage hall or whatever we called it. So I put her there so she can be with her little witch legs. And then
I can't believe she hasn't fallen yet again.
Nope, I fixed
her
permanently.
Remember you said to me that this house is not haunted? Did you see how it fell one time we were talking and filming?
I fixed her so she couldn't fall anymore.
That's what she says.
And then I added a little bit of orange right here. It was missing a color. It looked missing something. So I put a little orange and it kind of just brought everything together. I just love her feet. I just wish they would
stay separate.
I wish they would stick out like this, but they don't. They go sideways. So I thought, okay, well, we'll just do her that way.
Just cross them, huh?
And then I already had this. These little things, and I have some more apples. They're the blue and the green, and but everything else is pretty much the same.
Yeah, and the little bats flying across the dining room.
And this is new. This wasn't here before.
Oh, okay. Let me get down here because we didn't see this. May have to get back further to see how nice it is.
Yeah, so it kind of goes with my welcome to our web sign over here.
Oh, okay. Here, let me get over the other one. Well, doesn't it look really, really nice? Welcome to our web, and then all we have are these beautiful webs right here. Ooh, with big spiders everywhere, too. Oh my gosh, is it not wonderful? Well, that's the end of our little video. See you next week. Bye-bye. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Any air hugs?
Air hug.
Air hug from her. See you next time. Bye-bye.